We just got off the train and not a bad view over here. What a cute little town. And yes, there's a skate park in here somewhere, which is insane. I see it. I see the skate park right there. Oh my God.
I can't believe I walked straight to it, Ted.
How is this amazing? There's a skate park in the middle of this like little town. It's insane. How crazy is that? So we're gonna get some like coffee and waters and we'll make our way down there. It looks like a kind of a chill little area down there anyway. It's just kind of to hang out. So I'm excited.
What the heck?
Spiez. Spiez, I think the skate park. Anyways, we just made it here. It's crazy because it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It is dead quiet out here. You can hear birds chirping. We got a beautiful skate park to ourselves. Look at this view here. There's a mini putt course right there. I don't know, some volleyball, some chess, and then the lake is right there. Pretty epic spot for a skate park. Skate park rules right here. But yeah, the ground is just like normal asphalt, but it's pretty smooth and like, yo, the cement looks great. Like this looks great. Oh yeah, that's super smooth. So we got a nice little hip, we got a ledge, we got this little mini pyramid thing, another hippage, flat bar, ledge, some other little handrails, mani pad. Like this is so sick. This is like really all you need at a skate park. It's like almost like I don't know, it's like a street skate park plaza vibe. It's so chill, but wow. What a spot. I like how that bench has angle iron on it too. Oh, I didn't realize this has metal too. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's sick. Wow. It says no wax. That's so funny. Well, just don't tell them that I've been here, okay? I feel like so funny and sketchy skating here right now. Like, it's crazy. There's nobody around me. It's like all the houses are probably watching me right now. But like, it's just so crazy. It's like, I feel like I shouldn't even be here. Like making noise is like, I think I'm making too much noise out here. It's kind of funny. All right, I really want to skate this like this thing right here. I just want to at least like grind it or do something. Oh, I think it's so smooth. It's like funny because it grinds, but then it's also very sticky since it's like half metal, half asphalt, but it's pretty chill. I was low-key probably the first front Smith I've done in years.
That looked really nice.
Thank you. Pretty chill. It's funny.
Yeah, can't complain about the views.
It's funny because like since it's such smooth cement and then the asphalt, it like kind of like will give all of a sudden, or like it'll catch you off all of a sudden. Like you'll be like cruising and then it's like ooh, ooh. But it's chill. It's not bad. It is really good asphalt. Like the best asphalt I think I've ever seen.
If you hit that, like
It does look pretty cool. Okay.
yeah. I like that.
I want to get a different trick. gone a decent amount.
You're really going for it.
God damn it, you know. This is giving me a problem right now. I don't think I hit it either. Other way, but... I felt the hit.
I heard it.
That was the easy one. I guess the other trick is like harder, but since I commit more on the other one, I don't know. You'll see. This one I'm gonna go out that way.
Interlocking.
That's the video title.
That's the interlocking.
Right?
You did it.
Easy as that, right? Easy as that, see? That's all.
See, you can do it. Oh,
Big pop.
big pop.
Like that?
You like grew wings.
It's not even that big. It's like a curve. All right, I think that might be the end of the session here, which was pretty chill. I did not expect to skate this much, but it's funny. You can like see the rails are so new that like it's still like chipping, like it's like metal paint chipping. So it's kind of funny. I feel like these have it kind of no, not as bad. It's pretty much just like the flat bars. Oh,
Skating in Switzerland, you know, no big deal.
no big deal. First session here in like the mountain shoes. So sick. But yeah, you can see the rail, like it's literally still getting broken in. It's kind of funny, but it's sick that this park is here and it has an amazing view. Satut, and you are. I get the best of views here. Get you, the Swiss, the skate,
And me.
and the skate park. Amazing. But what a cool skate park out here. If you're ever over here, definitely check it out.